Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video of MongoDB series, I have showed you like how we can make a connection using Python with MongoDB Atlas and MongoDB Compass. So in this video, we are going to start with MongoDB commands. So first of all, we need to access the database from our local server. So in this video, I'm not going to use MongoDB Atlas. Better we can use MongoDB local servers. Okay, so we are going to make a connection and we need to check like how we can insert the data and what are the CRUD operations possible in MongoDB in local server. Okay, so I have opened my MongoDB. So if you open this, so from here also you can log in, or else if you have already downloaded the MongoDB Compass, you can simply go and you can open the MongoDB Compass. Okay, so this is MongoDB Compass, guys. I'm going to open this. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain three things. One is create collection, like how you can create a database in MongoDB, and how you can insert one single record, and how you can insert many records in Mongo database. Okay, so I have launched my MongoDB Compass. So it is looks like this. I do not have any connection. I need to make a connection. Okay, but before that, I have to open MongoDB shell as well. So that I'll do later maybe. I'm go ahead and I'll create a new collection maybe. I can give a name as YouTube demo. I'm selecting the color, though it is not mandatory. I'm selecting as maybe blue. Okay. Advanced connection option. Those things you no need to select because in my next video I'll explain how you can use the authentication or proxy servers and all. So in this video I'm going to see this URI is already given by default because my MongoDB is running on 27017. Okay, I'm going to create a collection or new connection. Okay, so 7 connect. So see, I have made a connection which is named YouTube demo and it has three databases. Okay, admin, config, and local. So this thing I am going to connect through my MongoDB shell. So for that, I have to open the command prompt. Okay, so I'm closing this. I'm opening a command prompt. So if you open the command prompt here, you have to give like mongo mongo sh for shell. So if you give enter, you can see like MongoDB is running in this port 27017, and it is using the test database which is not exist in my local. I'll give a command like show dbs. Okay, so you can say like admin, config, and local. These three are present. So these three are present. You can see like if I will go to MongoDB Compass, these three are present, but test is not present. So basically, what it is doing is that is the advantage of MongoDB, guys. So MongoDB is expecting me to create something inside test database, but I'm going to create a new database. Okay. So to create a new database, but before creating the database, I will explain one more thing. Though I explained those in my previous videos, but still for understanding, I will explain again. So if I go to Compass, so what is this YouTube demo? So this is, you can see like YouTube demo. This is a collection of database, right? So YouTube demo is a connection, or it is called as a cluster, which is a collection of databases. Okay, so admin, config, local, those are the databases, and inside those databases we'll have some table, right? So that table is called uh, the table, particularly so SQL database it is called table. Here it is called collection, and inside the table we need to write the data, right? So that is called document. So if I'm making you confused, then let's go to the paint and let's draw something so it will be easier for you to understand. So the outermost part, which is YouTube demo, that is called a cluster. Okay, so I am naming as cluster. Okay, so inside cluster we have different databases. Okay, so I'm drawing this. Inside this, we have the databases. So this is called database. Okay, database is database. There is no name change for MongoDB as well. Okay, or I can say as collection. Okay, database. So database is a collection of collections, and inside database we will have some tables, right? So inside database we will have some tables. This is called as collections. Collections. Okay, and inside these collections we should have the data. Okay, let me do one thing. So basically, this is called inside database. We'll have table for SQL and collections for NoSQL. Okay, those are same. table or collection. And inside table we are used to keep the data, right? So that particular data, so let me draw again. So inside table will have the data. Okay, so this data is basically called data. So basically this is called documents for MongoDB. Data slash collections and documents. Okay, so understood, right? So basically cluster is YouTube demo. Inside that we have different databases like admin and other database also we have like config and local, and this table or collection we are going to create and data we are going to insert. So this is the whole structure of a NoSQL database. Okay, so cluster we have already created. Okay, so now I'm going to create a database and I'm going to create a collection as well. So I'm going to create a database and I'm going to create a table or collection. Okay, so how to do that? So there are several ways. So I'm going to use this MongoDB shell, Mongo shell. Okay, so in Mongo shell, you can see like it is denoting to test, which is not available, because if I give show DBs, it will give you the existing database name. But I'm going to use a database which is called. So what is my objective? Okay, so in this Visual Studio Code, actually, I have opened one sample JS file because that will be easy to edit the JSON format. And what I'll do is my objective is I am going to create a database named YouTube demo. Then I am going to insert some data containing containing employee ID, then name, then department, and then age. And this collection name will be will be sorry, employee info, EMP info, maybe. Yeah, I can use the camel case, EMP info. So that will be the table name or collection name, collection or table. For your understanding, I'm writing table as well. Okay. And YouTube demo, that is a database. I am going to create a database named YouTube demo. So this is basically a database. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so basically it is denoting to test database which is not exist. What we will use is use and control V, YouTube demo. Okay, so if I give enter, see, switch to YouTube demo. If I'll go to my compass, you can see like YouTube demo is not available yet. Okay, I'm refreshing the database. See, YouTube demo is not yet available. We are going to create the collection, then only the database will be available. So first, because Mongo, that is the advantage of MongoDB, guys. It is thinking like I will use the database. See, switch to DB YouTube demo. YouTube demo is a database, we have switched this. And MongoDB is thinking like we will insert some documents or create some tables or uh, collections under YouTube demo. Okay, so my next objective is to create a collection or table name employee info. Okay, so I'm copying this. So what is the command? So the command is db. So db is YouTube demo. So you have to give db dot create collections, and then you have to paste the collection name inside first bracket, and you have to give a semicolon. So this is the command. Okay. So if you are confused or if you don't know this command, there will be some other way. I'll show you the other way. Suppose I'm new to MongoDB. I don't know how to execute the command or how to create the collection. So what I need to do is, see, I'm closing this welcome page. So I'm in YouTube demo. So if you click this, there will be an option open MongoDB shell. So throughout our tutorial, I'm going to use this MongoDB shell only. So if I'm clicking this, it will open this. Okay. So MongoDB shell, there is an advantage. So what is the advantage? This will give you the suggestion. How? Like, see, I'm typing use. Okay. So I'm typing this YouTube demo. Okay, so I'm typing this and see switch to YouTube demo, and now db dot see it is giving me the suggestion. Okay, so if I don't know the command, no problem. See, I can get the command from here, db dot create collection. Here I need to give the first bracket, and inside that I have to provide the collection name, which is employee info. Okay, and I have to give a semicolon. I'm giving enter. See, okay, so it is executed. Now I'm going to refresh this and we'll check whether it is created or not. So I'm refreshing the database and you can see like YouTube demo is created. And inside this, there should be a table or collection which is named employee info. If I'm clicking this employee info, you can see there is no data. We're going to insert the data. Okay. So this is the way, guys, how you can create a collection. Okay. So I'm clearing this terminal by using Control and L. Okay. Now I'm going to use this employee info and going to insert some data. So how to insert data? Okay. So there are two commands, guys. Either you can use insertOne or you can use insertMany. If we have only one single record to insert, then we can use insertOne. If we have more than one record, then we can use insertMany. I'll show you the both. Okay. So how to do that? So for that, the command is db dot employee info dot see there are two options, insert one or insert many. Okay, so first of all, I'll insert one, shift, and this you have to give shift enter, it will come to the next. So like this, and again you have to give shift enter and then double curly braces. So what are the information I'm going to use? As I explained, okay, first of all, employee ID, then employee name, then department and age. Okay, so I'm giving employee underscore ID. So ID I'm giving as 1111 and then comma, and then you have to give emp underscore name, so that I can give a for maybe Akash. Maybe if someone named Akash watching my video, they can comment me in the comment box. Employee ID, employee name, and then I'm going to give department. So department I can give as mechanical, and last of all, we can give the age we can give as 29. Okay, so this is the insert one, and at the end we have to give a semicolon. Okay, so let me execute this. See, acknowledged and true. So this record has been inserted. So how to check that? So basically you have to click this employee info and you can see 1111 Akash mechanical, that is inserted. Okay, now I'm going to insert more than one records. So how to do that? Maybe I can copy this. Let me see whether I can able to copy this or not. I think I'm not able to copy, but I'll try. Yes, I cannot copy this because from this shell you cannot copy the commands. Okay, so I have to write this again. No issues. So basically, db dot db dot emp info dot insert, this time many. Okay, insert many. We have to give enter, and we have to give like this, record 1 and then record 2 and record 3, like this. Maybe I can insert 6 records. One is already inserted, 1 2 3 4 5, and at the end we have to give semicolon. Okay, so here what are the details we need to give? We have to give employee ID, right? So emp underscore id. Okay, so employee ID I'm giving as 1 is already inserted, I'm giving 2 and then I have to give employee underscore name, employee underscore name. I am giving as B for Bimal, and then I have to give comma, and then I'm giving as employee ID, employee name, department. I have to give department. I'm giving as mechanical, maybe electrical, and at the last we have to give age. I'm giving as, so this age is 29. I can give as 28 maybe. Okay, so similar pattern I have to give, I have to fill like this. Okay, I'll do one thing. I just simply give Alt Shift and down arrow key. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next record is 3333. C for maybe Chandan, department, electrical, mechanical. Maybe I can give a civil, and maybe I can give the age as 31, and then 4444, and then D for Daman, mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics. Maybe I can give electronics. Okay, and I have to give like the age is 30, maybe. And what else? The name is, so this one is done. This one is done. Let me see. 1, 2. So this is 4444, and then 5555. Then E for Elvin maybe, and department instrumentation, and then age maybe I can give as 31, and last one is 6666, and F for Faizan, department maybe I can give computer science, computer SCIENC, computer science, and age maybe I can give as 32. Okay, so this is my record insert many. So I'm simply going to copy this. Okay, and I have to execute this. And one error you will face. So I'll describe you the error. Basically, what we'll do is, let me paste this first. Okay, so let me paste this first. Okay, so I have inserted one more record, duplicate record, I guess, which is absolutely fine because we're going to delete this duplicate record later. So basically, I have to paste this and see. Docs must be in an array of documents. So basically, what does it mean? I have to give a array of elements. So I have to give this, and I have to give this. Okay. So basically, it will be an array of elements. It will be a list of elements. So I'll copy this. Okay, and I have to paste this. Let's try. See, acknowledge true, and it has been inserted 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me go to the database and let me refresh this. See, mechanical 2 times inserted, and then Bimal, then Chandan, Daman, Elvin, and Faizan. So all the departments and employee has been inserted to this particular table. Okay, so this is the process how you can insert one single record or more than one record. So this is the process, and those are the commands. I think you have noted down the commands. So if you want the commands in the comment box or description, please give a comment. And so that's it for this video. I can make some other video on the upcoming lessons. So there I'll describe you like how you can find the particular document from the database and how you query a database. Okay, so everything I'll describe. So till then, stay tuned and goodbye. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and share my video. That will be a great motivation for me. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and again, goodbye.